Hey, what's up? So I'm looking at CLSN, and instead of going off of pre-market, I'm going off of the daily chart, and I'm seeing a stock. This is the 2-year chart. So, oh gosh. So this is a nice, like, huge spike, right? It's higher than pretty much any point before on the 2-year chart. So, based off of Tim Sykes' penny stocking framework, I'm looking for an overextended stock that has a pullback, and I want to buy the dip. So I was like, cool, it's gone up for 3 days. And I'm like, today is the pullback day, maybe. So this was actually a small little red candle, and I was just kind of guessing. I was like, well, maybe, I don't know, I see it sitting on top of here, but maybe it'll just push down and land somewhere in the 230s. And so I was watching it, and I see this point where it landed on in, this was the 270s, which was like right around here. But it made like a triple bottom, and then I guess it had a short squeeze because it just pushed all the way up to the resistance area here from yesterday, which was in like the 320s. And based off of the daily chart, like this high is like 330, right? But then this one is lower. So I don't see it pushing past it anymore, especially because it's falling from this resistance level. At least that's my prediction. Like it bumped its head, couldn't even reach the ceiling, and is downtrending because it's overextended from having basically from this breakout level of 137, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green days. So this is going to be the first time I ever try to execute on a pattern. So I'm really excited about that. And hold on. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Is this is my guess that like tomorrow maybe it'll go to 230 and I can do a dip buy because the pattern is up, pull back, bounce, and long kiss goodnight. Now I could totally be wrong, but I was listening to a webinar from Mark. It wasn't a webinar, it was a video lesson from Mark Croock, and he said pay attention to stocks that have multiple green days. And I always look at stocks that have shitty daily charts. And I was like, why don't I just try something different? And then another thing I was looking at Oracle. I was like, what's happening? And I was looking at Love. I was also looking at EVFM. Hold on. EVFM had a nice projection, but it's, I guess, downtrending. And Love seemed to be breaking out past this level, but I'm just seeing lower highs. So I'm not sure if it's doing this. I don't know. But I was thinking, well, what if I buy 10 shares and I wait $1? And I was like, this is not my type of play. It's a bigger market cap, which means it's going to go slower, and I feel nervous in slower stocks. Actually, what I'm just seeing is a symmetrical triangle, I think, is what's happening. Hold on. Put my scientist hat on. Maybe? Not sure. Something like that. Oops. Undo. So, right? Doesn't look like a sound wave. Ooh. But it looks like it's breaking down. So I don't know but it looks weird to me. But I was like, I don't want to play this because it's not my type of play. So why don't I wait for something that's a lower float, that seems to be working in a pattern. All things that go up come down, even in the stock market. I guess there's stock market gravity. So this is what I'm waiting for. This is the 5-minute chart. And this is cool. I'm really excited about trying out this idea. This is going to be very, very different from my usual technique. And so, like, right, it had this morning spike yesterday, and then it consolidated within these two channels, and then it pushed up again but bumped its head. So I think what I want for me to get in is a panic to at least 50% of this spike, because this is from 330 to 150. So I want to panic like to at least like 2 or 250 or even 240. Otherwise, I'm not touching this thing. And I can be totally wrong because it's a low float and it can just keep pushing higher. But I'm waiting for that huge morning panic pullback. And that's when I'm going to try to enter. So let me know your thoughts. And that's all for now. Thank you.